Come back, yourself. So you look good, man. That look strong, though. Dry cry. Even tell me 1, 2 times. And you...
My goodness gracious. Just come here 1 second, Joe. Hey, what? Look at that. So tantalize me. I want to give you all of my keys. All at once, Joe. Hey, wait. Stop that. Hey. I said stop that. I said shut up there, nonsense. I will slap the both of you right now. Eh? What is the meaning of this nonsense? We are driving and you guys are making noise. You don't dare make noise when I'm driving, or I will drop your ass home. Nonsense. Better behave yourself.
Awo.
Daddy.
What do you want now? What? What is it?
Can I McDonald's? Can I McDonald's? Can I McDonald's?
You are not getting McDonald's. When you go home, you will eat rice and soup and drink water and go to sleep. Okay? Stop asking for McDonald's. You won't have it. It's not good for you. If you eat McDonald's, your teeth will come out and will fall out of your mouth. It's not good for you at all. So stop asking me for that nonsense. And if you ask for me 1 more time, I will beat you when we go home. Is that clear? See, all you want to eat is McDonald's. Nonsense. You eat jollof rice and fufu when you go home. Now they get all this cancer and all this bad stuff happening to them because they're eating McDonald's and all this nonsense. You see African food?
Can I McDonald's?
Hey. Let go off of my shirt. First of all, sit back. And McDonald's, which part? McDonald's on your bed. About Happy Meal, about dollar menu. You have a dollar? No. You pay bill around here, sir? Eh? You have job? You buy grocery? Eh? So stop your knives.
Hello? Babatunde? No, put Babatunde on the phone. That is the one I want to talk to.
Yo. Yes, man.
In the washroom. Give him the phone in the washroom. Let me tell you something. If you don't put him on the phone right now, my hand and your face will be best friends.
About that 300 you owe me. Yep. See, how you mean if me remember? My youth, send me money.
Babatunde, where is the money that I sent you? Where is the money that I sent you?
Western Union, e-transfer, any one of them. State Farm. State Farm not send no money. My youth, stop play a game. No want my money.
If you don't put that money in my account by 5 o'clock today, me and you will put on the same pants.
You want to come down there and turn off your blood clot, my youth?
You know what? You are an idiot. Very stupid like this.
Hold on. You take man for clown.